So today continued with the fifth chapter, heredity and variation. Here you know what is heredity? Transfer of characters from parental generation to their offspring generation. Characters are inherited from parental generation to next generation. What you say that progeny also? You say that progeny. Here, and what is variation? Difference in characters between two individuals of same species. Yes, when the species will be altered, the characters are also altered, but of the same species, between the two individuals, the differentiation in their characters known as variation. Can any one of you, can you tell me the one word answer that why this variation occurs? Crossing over. Or you say that recombination. So crossing over or recombination means you know that the characters are totally different from their parents. And that's why Thomas Hunt Morgan performed the experiment on Drosophila melanogaster. And that's why the very important question, linkage and crossing over, asked in exam. Right? Okay. Okay. Genetic word term was given by William Watson, and all students, please listen carefully. In this chapter, I will explain later on in the sex determination topic, genetic balance theory. That new topic, actually it is the topic of the old Gujarat board syllabus, genetic balance theory. Haploidiploid mechanism that we have already learned with the sex determination in honeybee. Then another topic, gynandromorph. Gynandromorph bar body, sex determination in Bonellia, sex determination in other organism, and sex determination according to the hormonal balance, hormonal influence. These all topics I will explain you fine in sex determination. It is very interesting. Fine. So one by one we will take it in detail about each and every topic of NCERT as well as including the NEET portion. Fine. So genetic word was given by William Watson, and the study of collective study of heredity and variation is known as genetics. Gregor Johann Mendel, known as father of genetics. You know. Anyone, can you tell me the history of Gregor Johann Mendel? Have you remember it? Anyone? He was preached in church. He had done the experiment for 7 years in the garden of church. You know the year, range 7 years, 1856 to 1863. It is given there. 1856 to 1863. Fine. Gregor Johann Mendel submit his experimental documents in Brunn's Natural History. But up to 1900, yes, you are right, up to 1900 no one had recognized it. No one has seen these experiments, and due to some reasons, you know that limitations or drawbacks of Mendel experiment. Fine. Yes, communication was very poor. Yes, physical proof is not given there. Statistical analysis was very new at that time. Yes, not accepted by co-workers as well as his corresponds. Fine. So due to this all the reasons, up to 1900, the experiment could not be accepted by anyone, and after 1900, three scientists, Hugo de Vries, Karl Koretz and Mons Schermer, individually performed the experiment related to the Mendel's experiment again, and then Sutton and Boveri came, and then Sutton concluded that Mendel told us that alleles or more factors, or some substance which is present for responsible for the inheritance, it is nothing but genes. So genes are impaired, chromosomes are also impaired, and that's why here given chromosomal theory of inheritance. And this was scientists performed the experiment on the plants. So Thomas Hunt Morgan performed the experiment on the Drosophila melanogaster, that is fruit fly. He want to see that what happened in animals. Is it look like this or different from that plant? But exactly resemble to it. Fine. So Gregor Johann Mendel, father of genetics, 1856 to 1863. That asked in exam. Fine. He had selected 14 opposite traits of Pisum sativum plant. Pisum sativum is known as garden pea. Why Mendel has selected this garden pea plant? Because it is easily cultivated in garden. It is very easy to perform cross pollination. The newly offsprings are formed that all are fertile. and we use these offsprings in further fertilization procedure also. But mathematical analysis was very new at that time. 3:1, 9:3:3:1 ratio was there. This was totally new. Okay? Fine. So Greco John Mendel, known as father of genetics. William Watson, father of modern genetics. Fine. This many points are there. Thomas Hunt Morgan, known as father of experimental genetics, and Thomas Hunt Morgan performed the experiments on the Drosophila melanogaster and proposed the various concepts. Proposed the various concepts like linkage, sex linkage, crossing over, crisscross inheritance, and linkage map. Actually, when you consider the NEET exam, majority from here in F2 generation, crossing over and linkage percentage was asked. According to the cross and cross B, if you have remembered, 98.7 and 1.3, 37.2 and 63.8, like that, some percentages are given there, fine. And little bit time consuming question regarding to linkage map. Okay, later on I will ask you related to this linkage map question. Fine, I will give it to you. Huh? Now see, actually phenylketonuria, alkaptonuria and albinism. Again, phenylketonuria, that is PKU, alkaptonuria, that is AKU, and albinism. These diseases are inborn metabolic errors or disorders. What happened here in alkaptonuria? Definitely this question will ask in exam. Alkaptonuria, it is black urine disease, and here one sentence. The patient's urine is coming in contact with air, become black in color. This is the very, very important one. Now here what happened? See, I will explain you alkaptonuria. Actually, you know phenylketonuria, right? Phenylketonuria, in that what happened? NCERT information. Phenylalanine dehydrogenase. Phenylalanine dehydrogenase enzyme is absent. That's why phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine. As a result, change in the color of hair as well as skin. Okay, I will connect the albinism with phenylketonuria. Wait. Okay, then you get the concepts clearly. But first you understand this. Alketonuria, here what happened? Understand it carefully. In normal person, listen everyone, in normal person, homogentisic acid with the help of homogentisic acid oxidase enzyme, it is converted into acetoacetic acid. But alketonuria patients in that, alketonuria occurs due to the small a recessive gene disorder. Phenylketonuria for the small p. In phenylketonuria, small p recessive gene is affected. In alketonuria, small a recessive gene is affected. And here, due to affect to the small a gene, homogentisic acid oxidase is absent. So now I can make cross over it. Fine. So due to absence of homogentisic acid oxidase enzyme, homogentisic acid is not converted into acetoacetic acid. And similarly, copy paste there. Homogentisic acid is now present in blood as well as CSF. It is filtered in the kidney and in the urine, and through urine, homogentisic acid oxidase is excreted. But you have to write this sentence that due to presence of the homogentisic acid in the urine, and as you know that homogentisic acid homogentisic acid is also known as alkaptone. So that's why the name is given alketonuria. I hope you have remembered glycosuria, ketonuria, phenylketonuria, alketonuria. enzymuria, hormonuria, no, which enzymuria. Enzymes are excreted. Enzymes are present in urine. Yes. Hormonuria. Yes. Some hormonuria, actually hormonuria is normal as well as abnormal, both. In pregnant lady, hormonuria is normal. You know, in pregnant lady urine, HCG is present. This is normal one. Human chorionic gonadotropin. And if urine consists HCG, so HCG is present in the urine, this indicates that placenta is formed. Pregnancy is confirmed. Fine. But other concept of urine, fine, hormonuria is abnormal. So alketones are released through the urine, so urine become black in color. Hair is coming in contemplating, it becomes blackish in color, and that's why here alketonuria is also known as black urine disease. Okay, everything is given here of alketonuria along with that ageron. Okay, see, only two topics. Factor, unit of heredity which is responsible for inheritance and appearance of the character. The term factor referred as a gene by Johansen. Fine. So actually factor alleles or allelomorphs was used by Mendel, but this factor or allele is nothing but the gene, is referred by Johansen. Mendel used this term element or factor or allelomorph to represent in his experiment. Morgan first used the symbol to represent the factor. Dominant factors are represented by capital letters and recessive characters are represented by small letters. That's why we had applied this rule in Mendel's experiment. Allele. Allele is nothing but alternative form of the gene which is present on the same loci, same locus or same position on the homologous chromosome. Okay, and the term allele was coined by Watson. So here you see that on the homologous chromosome, here capital T, homozygous dominant genes, here heterozygous dominant, and here homozygous recessive genes are there. So the two opposite characters or two same characters of particular factor, fine, it is represented as a allele, and this allele is nothing but the gene, can be represented by Johansen. Clear? Okay, here I can stop now.